Okay, so we're going to do the whisper challenge.
Breezy. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
No, what?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
You can hear me? That's not good. How about now? Can you hear me? Good? Your ears are good?
Yes, I cannot hear you.
Okay. Alright. Why do you copy me?
Why are you talking to me?
No, I don't want to use that one. Okay. Why are you always copying me?
Why?
Why are you always copying me?
What?
Why
Why
are you always copying me?
are you?
Always copying me.
Why are you
Always copying me.
always
Copying me.
stopping me?
Copying me.
Popping,
Copying me.
flopping,
Copying me.
hopping.
Copying me.
Is it upping?
Copying me. Why are you always copying me? I'm not supposed to be.
What am I supposed to be?
No.
Oh.
Why are you always copying me?
Why are you
Always copying me.
always
Copying me. Copying me.
stopping me?
Copying me. Copying me. Copying. Copying. Why are you always copying me?
Why? I don't.
Why are you always copying me? Copying me. Copying me.
What?
Copying me.
Something me.
Copying
Is it something me?
Copying me.
Okay.
Copying me.
Why are you always
Copying
something
me.
me?
Copying me. Copying me. Copying me. Copying me. Copying me.
Copying?
Me.
I did this
Why are you
first.
copying me?
I did this.